All right, guys, we graduated. We're on from the beginners to the intermediate. So this is gonna be the middle level. We have beginners, intermediates, advanced. If you've watched all the beginner videos, thank you so much. Let's start on the intermediate videos. Today's video is brought to you by Ephesians 2:1-4. As for you, you were dead in your transgressions and sins, in which you used to live when you followed the ways of this world and the ruler of the kingdom of the air, the spirit who is now at work in those who are disobedient. All of us also lived among them at one time, gratifying the cravings of our flesh and following its desires and thoughts. Like the rest, we were by nature deserving of wrath. But because of his great love for us, God, who is rich in mercy, made us alive with Christ, even when we were dead in transgressions. It is by grace that you have been saved. The first thing we're going to talk about is something near and dear to my heart, which is the Houlihan. Anybody that brands, doctors, or ropes in general should know this swing and shot. All the angles for it, it's really awesome. So we're going to build a loop just the same, just like you've been practicing in all the other videos. This Houlihan is going to be clockwise. So your forehand is counterclockwise, the Houlihan is going to be clockwise. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start my loop off on the left-hand side of me. I'm gonna bring it up and around. My palm is gonna roll around and face the sky. And as I come right back around the front of my head, my thumb is going to roll down. So it's gonna look a little bit like this. Palm up, palm down, palm up, palm down. Now, as you'll notice, my rope in my backswing is figurating, and then it opens back up in the front, okay? That's fine. That's exactly what a Houlihan is supposed to do. You can throw this shot an absolute mile. It's gonna be quite a bit of arm. You're gonna be rolling that thumb down with your wrist, and then when you go to deliver, it's gonna be more high, right? It's gonna be like shooting a basketball a little bit or throwing a baseball like over somebody's head. You're gonna kind of reach way behind your back and then roll that thumb down and let that loop go high. Keep in mind, these shots are kind of like three-point shots in basketball, right? We're not gonna catch every single one of them, but we will be able to add quite a bit of distance to this swing and this shot. So practice the Houlihan. Comment below if you're having any trouble with it. I'd love to troubleshoot you. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.